Hello, my star seeds. How are you all? And I hope you are doing great, wonderful, amazing, safe wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing to the channel, for giving me lots of love. And I'm very glad that I help you out in some manner. So, this is your reading for the month of December 2021. Star seed reading for December 2021. Okay, but take whatever is resonating according to your situation and leave the rest, because this is the general collective reading for the star seeds, so it is not going to resonate with each of you. So take whatever is resonating and leave the rest. And I don't read reversals, and you can also let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. So let's start your reading and let's see what are the messages, what are the energies for my star seeds for the month of December 2021. Please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Help me out to deliver the important messages for star seeds for the month of December 2021. What are the messages? Please give me the messages for star seeds. Please give me the messages for star seeds. Star Brothers honors energy, protection, loyalty, safety, and trust. Okay. Blue, big picture thinking, Pleiades energy, activated earth, power places, ley line, trust where you are led. Okay. Then there is double mission, light worker, star seed, serve the world by being you. Okay, and there is star keeper, cosmic ancestor, seed the light by staying grounded. So some of you star seeds, you are having a double mission here on the planet earth. You are a star seed as well as a light worker. Okay, and I can get the energy of Mintakan star seed here, Andromedan, the Palladian. Okay, these star seeds energy I'm getting here. Arcturus energy. Okay, so deep cellular healing is happening for you. This is Arcturus energy, physical and emotional healing. So these Arcturians star seeds are the, I can say, the masters of emotional and physical healers. They are masters of emotional and physical healers here. So this energy is available for you star seeds. Okay, and this energy is helping you out into your deep cellular healings. Some of you are dealing with a karmic relationship. This is the Orion energy here. So maybe you are dealing with someone who is having the Orion star seeds or the Orion energy, sorry. Okay, that can also be a possibility. No Orion star seed, this is the Orion energy. So with the Orion energy, this is the karmic relationship, this is polarity, soul growth, and conflicts. So it's okay. Okay, the karmic relationships are the your teachers, are your soul teachers, and they give you the soul lessons which are necessary for your soul's growth. So if you are dealing with someone who is your karmic relationship, so say thank you for them, and forgiveness is required for them, because they are actually helping you out for growing you on a soul level. So see the picture, see the big picture thinking. That's why the message is here. Okay, so you have to see the situation from a higher perspective, that someone is trying to give you the hurt, the challenges, the pain, but they are trying to teach you. Okay, they are making your soul grow. Okay, so see the big picture thinking, see the picture, the situation from a higher perspectives. Some of you are the Palladian energy. Okay, the Palladian star seeds are here. Then there is star brother Horus energy, protection, loyalty, safety, and trust. The star brothers are here with you, so you can call them up for the protection, for the loyalty. You can open up yourself in front of them. The energy is present for you. And this is activated earth, power places, ley line, trust where you led. So right now the earth, as you all know, the earth is going through a process of transformation. The ascension process is taking place. So you can go somewhere where the ley lines are there. Okay, so ley lines, basically what is a ley line here, starseeds? So ley lines are invisible pathways on the land along which energy travels. Okay, they can be sensed when we tune into them with our subtle senses. Also known as spirit paths, they have been compared to our meridians system of the body used in Chinese medicine, and they link sacred sites, stone circles, burial mounds, and place of worship worldwide. In Australia, Aboriginal culture, song lines were the path traveled to by the creator beings as they made the land and sea during the dreaming. These paths were recorded in the traditional songs and dances of the people, allowing them to access information about the land history and travel safely across the great distances. Many believe that as we visit such sacred points on earth, something is activated within us. So some also believe that by connecting with the land with devotion and these sacred places, something is activated within the planet too. So are you being called to travel to a sacred space by your soul remembers, that your soul remembers, or to tend the land you live on? To honor and acknowledge the known and the unknown keepers of the natural spirits of the land. As you connect with the earth and honors its keepers, the land opens up more fully to hold up. The fruits provide more nourishment and the guardians watches you. So you can take a screenshot of this photo here. So you can place the card of the portal of your heart and whisper the following: I honor and thanks the keeper of the earth beneath me, known and unknown. Thank you for your nourishment and tender holding. So if you can travel, you can travel the power places, the ley lines. Okay, maybe your soul is uh, trying to guide you, maybe trying to give you the soul is remembering some places that you have to visit that place. So if something is happening like that, so you can go and visit that place if you can travel. And if you cannot travel, so you are having internet, so you can go on Google or YouTube and visit that place. Okay, and connect with that place energetically. And this is the star double mission. So you are here on the planet earth. Some of you are the star seed as well as the light worker. So you are here to serve the world by being you. Okay, then this is the star keeper. This is the cosmic ancestor. Seed the line by staying grounded. You are the star keeper. Okay, you are an ancient keepers of the star and here to anchor and seed your light in your unique way. You are likely been incarnating on earth for some time, dedicated to an era of awakening and birthing about a long awaited shift in the planet evolution. So we are at tipping point now, the survival of the earth and all its species coming to a head. The more grounded you remain during this transition period, the more helpful you will be. The more you tend to the flames of your own heart, the more love you will anchor on this planet. The wisdom of the stars is imprinted in your soul, and the more soul fragments you call home, the more this wisdom is seeded here. You may be called to be in different places in the world to anchor this light. Perhaps by taking a trip or living in a certain location, you may also find yourself experiencing awakening symptoms. The more grounded you remain, the more stable Earth's energy will become, and the less reactive humanity will be. You are here for a double mission to grow as an individual and as a part of larger collective that is bringing about a shift in frequency on the planet Earth. Trust that you can be in the world but not of it and lead a truly glorious life. So this is very beautiful here, starseed. So some of you are having definitely a double mission here of light worker as well as a star seeds, and some of you are having the double mission of yourself. You will be grow on a soul level, as well as you will raise your vibration and your consciousness through your life experience, as well as you will grow and increase the collective consciousness and frequencies too. So this is beautiful here. Thank you for giving the messages. Now let's see more messages. And the last message from this deck is the void, stop, embrace winter, great cosmic web. Trust the unknown. Okay, that's the message here from this deck. Thank you for giving the messages. See, I told you Imara is here. Some of you, you can be a Mintakan star seed here. Mintakan, I'm getting the Mintakan, Andromedan, Arctian, Palladian. These are the star seeds. Lyran. Okay, Lyran is also coming. See, Mintakan. Mintakan star seed 10-11 is a recording breathing time. You may be longing for home, belonging, and you are the original light workers. I have already uploaded that series of light workers and the star seeds. You can have the look on that two star seeds here. You are the original light workers. The Mintakan star seeds are the original light workers, and you must be feeling like homesickness or longing for home. You must be thinking that this is not my home where I belong to here. So definitely some of you, you are here, are the Mintakan here. Okay, Mintakan star seeds. But remember that you are the original light workers. You are here for the age of light, the golden age of Aquarius, or the Satyug we call in Hindi. Okay, you are here for transforming the whole consciousness, for transforming the frequency and vibrations of the planet Earth, to help in the ascension process, because you are getting the training for this for many past lives. Okay, for many past lifetimes you're getting the training for the age of light here. Okay, so let's see more messages. Please give me messages for the star seeds for December. For the December 2021, please give me the messages. Okay, some of you, you're going through a process of awakening here. Okay, don't dim your light here. Again, the message is here. Okay, maybe some of you star seeds, you are trying to dim your light to get fit in. Okay, don't dim to fit into some category, or in your family, or in your relationship, in your location, in your career, in your job, in your anything. Okay, how you have to ask yourself, how are you dimming your light in order to fit in? Okay, because you are not for everyone. You are here for a special purpose. 1221 is a recording reading time. You have to protect your energy, call back your power, cut the codes, and soul retriever. Protection is required here. Okay, then there is Sisterhood of the Rose, Beauty and Devotion Priestess, Mystic and Teacher. Some of you can be a mystic, a priestess. Okay, use your intuitions here. You must be having a lot of ancient knowledge in your DNA. Okay, you can be a priestess, the mystic teacher, the healer. Then there is play, have fun, celebrate, don't be too serious. You are already doing it. Stop overthinking, keep facing your true north. Okay, you are already doing it. Whatever your soul purpose is on the planet Earth, you are already doing it. So stop overthinking, go and have fun and celebrate your life, take a break. Okay, so that's the message I'm receiving here. And don't try to get fit in. Okay, there is the great gathering. It's all coming together. Intuitive hit, soul tribe. Okay, so maybe some of you, you're going to get and meet your soul tribe here. So this is beautiful. Thank you for giving the messages. Now let me add message from the Secret Light Oracle. What is the message you want me to deliver for the star seeds? Please give me the messages for the star seeds. Please give me the message for the star seeds for December 2021. Wow. Please give me the message. Light activation is happening. See, bottom of the deck, I was having this awakening and transformation, pillar of light. These three messages was there. Also, I'm going to take these messages also. Okay. Maybe you can connect with the crystals here. Okay. Try to connect with the crystals. Any other message? Any other message for star seed? Okay. Okay. This is beautiful. I can say that. First of all, I'm going to take these three messages. So you are getting the energetic upgrades. Okay. You are getting the awakening, a new way of being, integrations, and things are changing at a cellular level. Deep healing is happening. Transformation is taking place. The awakening is happening here. Can you see? There was a deep healing available for you. There was a deep healing energy which was available for you here. Okay. So there is a deep healing process, the deep healing energy which is taking place. You are going through a process of awakening. Okay. So this is the message, and this is pillars of light. Your vibration is rising. You are an oracle. Okay. So your vibration is rising here, star seeds, and you are becoming the more beautiful light for the world, I can say that. Now let's see these messages, and these are very beautiful. Why I say your vibration is rising here. There is a light activation which is happening here, which is helping you to evolution of spirit, actioning of plans, and transitions. Light activations are happening here. So I need to read it out from the book because these messages are very much important for you. Your soul is seeking new challenges. Let yourself be free. Okay. When the body lights up in an attunement or an activation, it triggers a beacon for the soul to communicate with the physical body. Overseen by the ancient Tibetan master Dual Khul, I can pronounce it right or not, I can't say, but sorry if I pronounce it wrong. Activations can bring deep healing and transcendence. Regardless of physical sensations, these activations occurs on an energetic and emotional level. Activations which can physical or spiritual in nature amplify your personal connections with the world and energy around yourself. Essential for the evolution of human consciousness, activating energy centers, intuitions, healing abilities, life force, or kundalini can happen gently or abruptly given your chosen personal path, because each soul has chosen how their kundalini awakening can happen. Okay, awakening dormant or the junk DNA and hidden memories. Activations are dominantly positive experiences that encourage your mind to connect more closely to your soul and spirit. Transmissions, awakening, and spiritual prophecy will occur now, so have a paper and pen ready. Ascension Master Khul asks you to be clear with your intentions, as conflicts will be triggered by stress. Choose to let go of the fear and let your soul guide you on a journey of self-discovery. Your soul is in constant state of learning, so learning a new skill and planning future educations are favorable now. Okay, being stubborn will only keep you stuck in places that your soul does not want to be. So just be open and flexible, because your vibration is rising here. You're becoming more beautiful than before. You are becoming the light here. Your vibration is rising. You are an oracle here. Okay. Then there is celestial channel, hidden beauty, remaining optimistic and staying neutral. This says that sun and the moon exist in the same cycles like the shadows in the light. So Ascension Master Lady Sarah asks you to remember the polarity of being. You must honor the light and shadow aspects within yourself, as they are part of you. So you can learn from both aspects as a clear celestial channel and make peace with them to create your future path. Okay. So this is beautiful here. You have to accept the both parts of yourself here. Then this is beautiful message from the golden light ray. This says love and laughter, receiving and giving gifts, passionate projects. The golden ray is on the 12th ray of creation, the 12th dimension consciousness, the highest frequency, and also known as Christ consciousness. It is the high frequency healing channel that connects to the central sun, The golden ray can gently awaken your kundalini and accelerate your spiritual growth. The more you choose to work with its vibration, the golden light ray anchors creator energy into the remaining light rays throughout the universe and earth, creating influencing planetary healing and releasing energetic denseness as its wavelength move across the multiverse. The ray can initiate soul awakenings that bring your perception of all that into close mental focus. Floating along the golden ray, Ascension Master Lord Maitreya disrupts dense and melancholic emotions. He encourages you to see the lighter side of life so that laughter and comedic relief can benefit you. You can use color therapy, pause, and take a breath. Laughter is a medicine for your soul, starseeds. Okay, so this is beautiful. The golden ray will shower you with the warmth and comfort of fulfillment as it settles the highs and lows of emotion, shifting feelings of loss and emptiness within the psychic of the soul. It is a pure divinity that seeks to heal those who access its frequency. So this is very powerful message. Now you are receiving the blessings, the energy, the frequency of the golden light rays. That's why the message is your vibration is rising. Okay, then there is temple secrets, secrecy, isolation, observation, and ritual magic here. So this is the cycle of justice. The cycle continues with a lesson learned. Okay, this is the message here. Yeah, so the message in this temple secrets is that you have to this is residing on the green ray. Ascension Master Hilarion asks you to seek and hear the truth with open ears. Your spoken word reflects your integrity, so be direct and assertive. Combine your creativity and analytical mind to find answers buried in your soul's intelligence. Okay, a master of science, Hilarion, asks you to connect further to your inner light through discovering using a methodical, systematic approach to your goals and life quest. Okay, not everyone sees the world as you do, so ask Hilarion to bring the light of illumination to unveil the path of self-discovery. Be careful of tempting offers from the other people, as they will come with hidden catches. Okay, so this is very beautiful message here. The sacred light beckons each seeker, igniting past life recall on the spiritual quest. So maybe some of you can receive the memories or the flashes of your past lives. Okay, then this is the divine creation. This is acceptance, personal commitments, Europhia. This is very beautiful. You have to accept that everyone is a divine creation. Okay, and divine creation is boundless. It can transform your life into one of the peace and joy. So making magic is an art of divine love, and divine love is the divine creations. Under the wings of Ascension Master Goddess Isis, her aura can reassure your spirit into life filled with more love as she assists you to release guilt surrounding self-acceptance and family members and the matters. Okay, so the magic of her presence is automatically uplifting, protecting those that seek her wisdom and guidance. She is here to she is here so that you can release your feelings of guilt, mistrust, vulnerability, and betrayal. Old relationship wounds, abuse, and violation of personal rights have stopped you from embracing yourself fully. Okay, reevaluate your circumstances after professional assistance. Self-love attitude is here. Then this is language of light, rediscovery, humble, wanderer, and communication. This is the language of light is written among sound waves and frequencies. Any object that has a high resonance falls within the light language, and it's multidimensional. Often when viewing the language of light, symbols, numbers, and geometry take center stage. One example of this language resides within the realm of sacred geometry and is often used as energy clearing, sacred intentions, prayer, meditation, and mindful practice. Water spirits such as dolphins, whales, and seahorses have unique alignments with light language. These graceful water creatures emit high frequency and sound waves that shatter dense energy fields with purpose. Highly intelligent and protection, these beautiful beings will share their mystical intelligence if you meet them with respect, humility, and peace. Galactic Guides, the Seven Sisters, request you immerse yourself into higher frequency that can uplift your soul and spirit to improve your vitality. Rediscover the old and ancient, reduce waste, and upcycle to help the environment. The simplicity will make room for new energy here. So the communication of light language through your celestial channel will encourage you to try new things. Okay, just as with learning a new language, try not to get lost in spirit translation. So this is beautiful. Now next message for you is Tibetan Fire Serpent. This is seeking a higher truth, discernment, a better path, authority. Okay, and this is you are the center of the universe. Is your sun shining you? Declutter and let go anything which is not serving your highest good. Okay, so this is Ascended Master El Moria chooses to share the wisdom of the ancient with those who seek a higher truth, and for emphasizing self-mastery and suggesting you to unclutter your life with authority and discernment. Fire up, determination and perseverance will help shake up rigid ideas and open experiences. You are living life at fullest. You were born to thrive, not just to survive. Okay, so this is beautiful message. So thank you for giving the messages. Now let me add one message from the Gateway Oracle decks for my star seeds. Please give me the message for star seeds. I got two. So this is igniting courage and breaking barriers. I am expanding beyond limitation into joy and freedom. And this is I'm strong, violent, and courageous. So you're breaking the patterns, the ancestral karma, the patterns, whatever barriers you are facing, and you're moving in a forward direction. Okay, you are keeping your courage here. You are moving in a forward direction. This is very beautiful. You are facing your fears here. So this is beautiful message here. Okay, thank you for giving the messages. Now let me add one message from the Moonology deck. What is the message you want me to deliver for the star seeds? Leave the past behind. Okay. What are the message for the star seeds? Please give me the message. Leave the past behind. Last quarter moon in Capricorn. You have to leave your past behind. That was the message which I was receiving. Okay, and this is the message I received. So leave the past behind. Okay. Thank you for giving the messages. Now let's add message from the Sacred Forest Oracle deck. What is the message you want me to deliver for the star seed? What is the message you want me to deliver for the star seeds? Air spirit knowledge. So some of you can be an air sign here, Aquarius, Gemini, and Libra, but this is the air spirit, and air is all about knowledge, observation, communication, inspiration, and knowledge. And number one is new beginnings. So use your knowledge, work on your knowledge, and give your knowledge, access your knowledge which has been stored inside your soul, in your DNA. Okay, so this is the message which I'm receiving here. So this is beautiful. Thank you for giving the messages. Now let me add message from Priestess of Light. What is the message you want me to deliver for it? Star seeds. Okay. Calming the water, peaceful self-regulation here, and this is soul radiance, phoenix rising. So you are rising from the ashes. Okay. So that's phoenix rising here, and this is peaceful self-regulation. You are calming the waters here. You're working on yourself, and you're moving in a forward direction. You're breaking the barriers here. So this is beautiful. Now let me add one message from the Witch's Wisdom deck. Please give me one message for the star seeds. There is a new passionate beginning which is starting here. See, passionate beginning, and this is Watchtower of the West, autumn. And autumn is all about letting go which is not serving your highest good. The leaves shed off, and this is the season where you have to let go anything which is not serving your highest good. Okay, and this is fire, passion. I told you there's a lot of passionate beginning, lot of passion, creativity, fiery energy which is present for you. So work on your passion, creativity. If you love to dance, you can dance. If you love to create or singing or dancing or writing or anything which is related your passion, okay, so you can do that, which do anything which feeds your soul. Okay, so this is beautiful. This is beautiful. Your crown chakra and the earth star chakra, initiation and unlimited self, these two activations are happening, star seeds, for you in the month of December. And for these activations are not happening, you have to work on the earth star chakra and your crown chakra. But many of you, your crown chakra is getting activated, your earth star chakra is getting activated here, and this is very beautiful, very strong message here. Okay, so thank you. Now let's see what is the thing which you need to heal. Okay, heal yourself cards. Thank you. What is one area of your life where you need healing? Okay, star seeds, let's see what is the one message you want me to deliver. Where the star seeds needs the healing? Please give me one message. No, please give me one message. Please give me one message. Self-love. Again the self-love message is here. You need to come into the self-love. Okay, self-love is required here. Leave the past behind and love yourself here. Okay, self-love is required. Now let's see messages from the chakra wisdom. What is the message you want me to deliver for the star seeds? Self-worth. Okay, that's why the self-love is here. Know your self-worth, because you are, some of you star seeds, you are trying to fit in. Okay, you are trying to fit in into the places where you do not belong. That's why you need to know, don't try to dim your light. Know your self-worth. And now you are getting to know your self-worth, and once you start loving yourself, you will know your self-worth here. Okay, so that's the message I'm receiving here. Now let me add one message from the activations. What is activating in star seeds in the month of December 2021? Please give me one message. What activations are happening for the star seeds? Compassion. Bottom of the deck again, I'm having passion here. There's a lot of passion energy which is getting activated for you. The fire energy, maybe you are having you are a fire sign, or you are dealing with someone who is a fire sign, or you are having a fire energy, but your fire energy, your passion, your creativity is getting activated here. There is intense emotion which is lying inside the hidden gem of insight, balance and calm, and it will help you out in finding the balance within the intensity and the moving us from chaos to calm to its core. So where you can let go its long lasting wisdom that is filling up yourself here. Okay, so a lot of passion is activating here, and this is compassion. The frequency of compassion supports our ability to stand by others without judgment and be the divine mediator between heaven and earth, spirit and matter, so that unconditional love can flow from source through our heart and into the world. So this is beautiful. The compassion and the passion is activating here for you. So this was the reading. Let me add one more message from the angel's power. Okay, so let's see what is the angel message for you. Please angels, give me one message for the star seeds. What are the messages for star seeds for the month of December? And then I'm going to close out your reading. Please give me the message for the star seeds for this reading. Wow. First message for you is gratitude. Pray for what you need, but be grateful for what you already have received. Always have an attitude of gratitude. 1331 is a recording reading time. Say thank you for giving the beautiful things the divine, the universe has given up for you. And the second message is Midas star. The luck is on your side. Let the magic happen. So this is very beautiful message for you, that luck is on your side. Okay, let the magic happen here. Okay, I just thinking that I have to add something here. Okay, let me add some message from the Chinese fortune reading also. One message, money. So yes, this abundance of money opportunities. 1414 is a recording reading time. Maybe new job, the business, money is coming up for you in the month of December for the star seeds. So this was the reading. I hope it will help you out in some manner. You can also let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. Okay, till the time, take care of yourself. Sending you lots of love and healing light to all my star seeds who are watching my video. Take care of yourself and see you soon.